Jeremy sets us up on a tiny creek he knows in Wind River country, and we aren't disappointed. Jeremy, another fantastic day here in the high mountain peaks of Wind River country. We're after cutthroat again, but on a super small stream with a new technique, glass rods. Big fun, huh?
Excellent fun. A lot of fun for beginners, families to come out and experience Wyoming, catch a lot of cutthroat trout, and this is a place to do it. You can't beat the views here.
Lots of fish in these creeks?
A lot of fish in these creeks, yeah.
Perfect for somebody that wants to get their the feel right for those difficult hook sets.
Yep.
For the big ones.
Exactly.
Cool, man. Let's see what we can do. Most modern day fly rods are designed to cast effectively 30 or 35 feet and longer. On these small streams, you need to adjust your setup to be able to cast lines in small areas and shorter distances. Well, how do you do that? You can go with a shorter, slower rod, such as a fiberglass rod, or you can simply overline the rod you have if you don't want to buy a second or third rod. For example, if you're fishing a 4-weight rod, consider overlining it by 1 or 2 line weights and throw a 5 or a 6-weight. That will bend the rod more and allow you to cast short distances with accuracy. Jeremy, in these small little creeks, I'm assuming that the fish will relate still to undercut banks and structure like that.
Absolutely. Cutthroats love cut banks. They love root structure. They like hiding in places that most other species of trout don't really hold in. There it is. There it is. Beautiful hook set. Beautiful. Way to come off of that shelf. You see how they can hang right up in the shallow, just waiting for food to come in.
And that fly did. It came right off the shelf and boom, he ate it.
You can see how the spots are concentrated more at the tail, like
Yeah.
we were talking about yesterday.
Yeah, yeah.
Just those colors are magnificent.
They
Even
really
a small
are.
fish like that, just beautiful. Nice. There he is. Nice fish. That's a little bigger.
Great fish. You know, in these small streams, size of fish doesn't matter. Numbers are fantastic, but when you get a good one, it's a good one. 5X tippet. Very delicate presentations for big cutthroat.
Slippery too. There we go.
Nice.
That's a better fish. That is a beauty.
Can you imagine coming into Wyoming and catching stud cutthroat out of small streams like this? Super fun. Just nothing more I can say about it. Just amazing.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.